Hi everyone, got a problem. Came up to use my 73-inch rear projection screen and all I get is this blue screen. As you can see, the menu's working and I can even get the test picture up, but this is what I get no matter what input I use. Put a game on there, Xbox, nothing. I get sound out of it. I do the dish, nothing. Only sound. Do the DVD player, the Blu-ray, only sound. I get this blue picture for everything. So I'm going to try to replace the circuit board on this. Again, don't know if it's going to work. I got one off of eBay rather than replace the TV. So I'm going to show you how I do this. I didn't see anything on YouTube, so let's give this a shot. The lighting might be kind of bad in here. It's kind of dark, but I'll do the best I can. The TV is a Mitsubishi WD-73C9. Here's the unit we're going to replace. It has all the input ports. That's a little better. And some ports are on the side. This is going to go around the back. So again, the light's kind of bad, so I'm going to move the TV out. I'm going to make sure it's unplugged, and I'm going to see if I can crank it out so we can see what's going on. Here's the piece I need to replace, and the cord's attached to it, so I disconnect that when I pull it out. This will also work on different brands of TVs. Like I said, here's the name WD-73C9. But this unit will work on several models, and I'll go ahead and list some of those below as well. But the first thing we have to do is get this back panel off. I've never done this before, so I'm going to be fudging my way through it. But there seems to be 9 screws here. They all have little arrows on them. So the first thing we do is remove all of those. Okay, I'll remove these screws. Forgive the makeshift stand, kind of making do with what I have. First I'm going to remove these screws. Again, each of them has a little arrow on it. Okay, took out those 9 screws. It's loose, but there's something holding it up here. I think it might be this screw, right next to the plug. Screw here by the plug was the last one, so there's a total of 10 screws. Pull this off. Let's get the plug through there. Set this here. Set this to the side. Okay, looks like there's 4 screws holding this in, so those will be next. Okay, got those 4s out. There's actually one over on the side here as well. Here's the ports, the RCA ports it looks like, or plugs, if you want to call them. There's one screw. back here. Okay. Okay, with those 5 screws, it's coming out. There's a socket here that will undo and unplug from the board. There's like 2 sockets, and we'll have to disconnect the power cord. Okay, sorry about the lighting again, but this clip just snaps off here very easily. You have a plug up here on top, another clip, a retainer clip. Just lift that up, easily comes out. Another one on the back side. Okay. Another one in the middle here in the back. Just following that around to a plug here, here, and here. So let's undo those 3. This is just like if you do a computer circuit board. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let's see if there's any more. Yeah, we have another one here on the board. And that looks like it. And this is the power cord. So we'll disconnect that next. Okay, sorry about my arm. I don't mean to be filming my arm. It's really hard to get in here and not the best lighting situation. But anyway, power cord needs to come out. It actually just slides off of here. Again, there's these retainer clips. There's 3 of them. They're very simple. They just pop right open. Run the cord around. That's another one down here. And there's a plug here. It plugs into the circuit board. That's it. You got the power cord down. There's also, looks like another cord here, probably the projection cord that's going to be on here. It's like a standard monitor connection with screws. So let's undo those screws. I'm just going to use a regular screwdriver on these. Okay, overkill electric one. There's basically 2 retaining screws here to hold this on. See if that comes off. Great. And there's a tie here. Just untwist that, pull that off. Okay, we got it out. Let's compare it to the other one. Okay, we're going to be removing this top circuit board, unplugging this strip here, and just transferring it over to the new unit here. Actually, I thought this would have came with both motherboards or circuit boards, so hopefully this does the trick. Anyway, let's go ahead and remove this. There's 1, 2, 4 screws there, so we'll go ahead and remove those. Okay, I'm going to remove those, but I'm going to remove this clip here first. Here. I'm just going to leave that on there since this is just moving over. Yeah, I'm sorry if my hands are in the way. I'm trying to lay things out kind of the way they came off, so it'll be easy to get them back on. Okay. That screw fell in there, but I'll grab that in a second. It's done here. move it. Oops, sorry about that. We're just going to move it over here. Okay, let's line up these holes. Falls into place. Remember, this will go down here, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Put it in the tie. Connect it. There. And then put these 4 screws back in. And again, sorry if my hands are blocking this, but and the last one here. And I'm going to assemble this cables the exact opposite way we took them off. So this is what I think is the video. It's actually a video connector down there. And put that on there. Screw these in. They're snug. Okay, got the video on. Now we're going to put the power cord back on. Again, this plug is right on here. Actually, it wraps around this one, so we're going to pull this through. Route it through these clips, the retaining clips. There's 3 of them. And slide that right back into here, like that. Okay. Okay, plug everything back in. The one that's kind of 3 brown wires and a red goes right up onto the top board. Okay, the blue and red wires, there's a longer one down here, only goes in one way, and then a shorter one goes right next to it. Again, only goes in one way. And we're going to rotate it around, and we have 2 more pieces. Goes the one with a little barrel on it. It's right there. And the last one, it's a yellow and black, goes right on top here, like so. Okay, and we'll go ahead and put the clips on it and slide it into place. All right, got the little, put them through the little retainer clips. I'm just going to slide this right back in, kind of align the 2 bottom holes here, and then we're going to screw those in. Okay, get these 4 in here. The last one to come out was the one on the side, and I'll do that after I do these 4. And these have little arrows pointing to the holes, so it makes it easy. You don't want them tight. Okay, I'm going to snug them up with a standard screwdriver. Okay, then we're going to get the one on the side. I'm just going to show you where this one goes. It's right in here. Just two holes there. It's the one on the left. We'll go into it. Go ahead and screw that all the way in. Okay, now would be a good time to actually plug this in and test it. Everything should be there. It's just a matter of putting the cover plate on. But because I'm on this stupid couch, I'm going to go ahead and cover it up and finish it up and then plug it in and test it. Okay, I'm going to run the cord through the hole. It just lays right back on here. First one I'm going to put in, the one at the bottom by the cord. Okay, I'm going to put the other 10 in. Probably won't show you it all, but get the idea. Alright, got everything put back, TV back on the stand. So let's see if this works. Okay, got my blue screen. Where is it going? It's an AVR. Let's change it to the game. Hey, there's the game. Let's try the satellite. That's working. Whatever was wrong, that new board worked. So, pretty easy to do. Bunch of plugs. So anyway, I'm glad it worked. I don't have a lot of luck with electronics on eBay, but this one seemed to be okay. Thank you all for watching. Take care.